Good morning, students. Today we will continue with topic 2, Irrigation Development in India, from Unit 1, Introduction and Water Applications. Irrigation Development in India, the status of Northeast. Irrigation in India, it includes a network of major and minor canals from Indian rivers, groundwater well-based systems, tanks, and other rainwater harvesting projects for agricultural activities. Of these, groundwater system is the largest. In 2013-14, only about 47.7% of total agricultural land in India was reliably irrigated. The largest canal in India is Indira Gandhi Canal, which is about 650 kilometers long. About two-thirds cultivated land in India is dependent on monsoons. Irrigation in India helps improve food security, reduce dependence on monsoons, improve the agricultural productivity, and creates rural job opportunities. Dams used for irrigation projects help produce electricity and transport facilities, as well as provides drinking water supplies to a growing population, control floods, and prevent droughts. The status of irrigation in Northeast India. Within these 5 years, TAC has given clearance to 38 projects in Northeast India, out of which major number of the projects, that is 26, are flood and erosion control projects. Rest of the 12 projects, it includes 6 irrigation projects, 3 barrage projects, and 3 multipurpose projects. All these 12 projects involve irrigation as a major component. Among the 12 projects, 5 projects draw special attention because of the humongous cost escalation and time overrun in the construction of these projects. 3 out of these 5 projects are located in Manipur, whereas 2 are located in Assam. Starting with the 3 projects from Manipur, the table below summarizes the cost incurred in these 3 projects. All these projects are age-old projects, and how much benefits will be acquired from them once their construction is complete still remains uncertain. Students, please go through the table below. I have cited name of the project, year of starting, original cost considered in 2019 and considered in 2012 figures. The Dhansiri Irrigation Project, which is in Darang district of Assam, it is another glaring example of mind-blowing time and cost overrun. This project was discussed in the 119th meeting of 29th August 2013 for consideration of cost of rupees 567.05 crores. This project started in 1975 and the original cost of the project was rupees 15.83 crores as per the information available in the Assam State Irrigation Department website. The same website it also states that the project is supposed to be completed in 2010, 35 years from the time it started. But in the 119th TAC meeting, March 2015, was stated as the new completion target. This implies that the cost of the project has increased by 35.82 times over a period of 40 years. But even after that, the advisory committee accepts proposal without much scrutiny or inquiry. There was no detailed assessment of the reasons for time and cost overruns. There is no question of delay due to clearances or agitations here, or on whether this project, which will take 40 years just to complete, will be viable or not. Champamati Irrigation Project in Chirang district of Boreland Territorial Area District BTAT, Assam, it presents a very unique case. This project it started in 1980 with an original cost of 15.32 crores. It was discussed in 103rd meeting of the TAC held on 11 March 2010 with a revised cost of 309.22 crores, which is clearly a 20 times increase from the original cost. The present status of this irrigation project it cannot be confirmed. There is little information available on this project in the internet, and from those it can be clearly said that the project was not completed till the mid of 2013. The irrigation programs in Assam. The irrigation programs in our state received financial assistance from Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program, which is AIBP, funded by the central government. Other assistances are also received from non-lapsable central pool of resources, Assam Rural Infrastructure and Agriculture Services Project, funded by the World Bank, NABARD, as well as Northeast Council Fund apart from the state's own resources. The projects taken up by the department can be broadly classified into three major categories on the basis of sources of funding. Number one, centrally funded project. Number two, state funded project. And number three is institutional funded project. The centrally funded project, Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program. The major and the medium projects that receive the central assistance under AIBP are number one, Dhansiri Irrigation Project, two is Champamati Irrigation Project, three is Bordikarai Irrigation Project, fourth is Integrated Irrigation Scheme from Kolong River Basin and Sonai River Basin. Number five is Borolia Irrigation Project. Number six is Pahumara Irrigation Project. Number seven is LIS from Buridihing from Khowang area. Number eight is Hawaipur Irrigation Project. Number nine is Rupohi Irrigation Project. And number 10 is Jamuna Irrigation Project. The department has also received assistance from the Government of India under AIBP for implementation of minor irrigation projects. Students, please write down the assignment for lecture number 2. After this, I will show you a video. Please go through it. Thank you.
Rivers are the lifeline of Indian civilization. The Godavari is one such river that has played a pivotal role in shaping the history of India and has helped it evolve as an agricultural nation. With its source from Trimbakeshwar, the river travels for 1,465 kilometers, draining a basin of 3,12,812 square kilometers. Yearly, millions of cubic feet of water from the Godavari flows into the Bay of Bengal underutilized, while thousands of farmers face irrigation problems due to lack of water. To save these waters and divert them towards the irrigation and drinking needs of Andhra Pradesh, the idea of the Polavram Project was born. The 1,118.9 meter long spillway is being constructed to aid the construction of the main dam. It wasn't an easy task to build this. The ground had to be dug up to the bedrocks, clearing the gravel to lay concrete from there. The spillway, built with 48 gates, is capable of releasing 50 lakh cusecs of water. Each gate is about 20 meters long, 16 meters wide, and weighs about 300 tons. Hydraulic technology is used to operate these gates. After the spillway is constructed, a concrete bed will be laid underneath the spill channel. 2 temporary cofferdams will be built to the sides of the main dam to divert the flow of the river to construct the earth-cum-rock-fill dam. These cofferdams will be constructed by jet grouting process inside the ground. The earth-cum-rock-fill dam made for Polavram Project is a masterpiece in the engineering history of India. The Godavari River is set on the banks of deep layers of sand. There is a need to hold the water on the sand as well as the groundwater. With the help of these machines, a concrete wall was dug and filled with a mixture of rock and concrete to construct a diaphragm wall which is about 1,397 meters long, 1.5 meters wide, and runs along a stretch of 95 meters of the canyon. This dam holds all the water from flowing to the other side. The highest flood rate recorded on the Godavari till date is 30 lakh cusecs. However, the earth-cum-rock dam is currently being built to withhold a maximum of 50 lakh cusecs of water. Another significant component of the Polavram project is the 960 megawatt hydropower plant that is being built towards the corner of earth-cum-rock dam. The central government assigned the responsibility of building this power project to AP Genco. The purpose of the Polavram reservoir is to eradicate the drought in the state of Andhra Pradesh. For the same reason, canals are being constructed on both sides of the project, drawing water to the right and left sides of the canal with the help of gravitational force is a highly commendable part of the design. The water enters the right canal with the help of the head regulator and travels for 174 kilometers through the canals of Peddarala Kalwa, Kovada Kalwa, Yerra Kalwa, Gunderu, Tamileru, Ramileru, Chimala and touches Krishna River through the Budameru Canal near Vijayawada. The upper stream of Krishna will be diverted to Penna and provides water for irrigation needs of Rayalaseema. The water entering the left canal reaches Visakhapatnam through the canals of Vinukonda, Burrada, Yeleru, Pampa, Tandava, Varaha and Sharada Canal, traveling across 181.5 kilometers. The left canal will provide water for about 4 lakh acres of land in East Godavari and Visakhapatnam districts. along with 23.44 TMC's water for drinking and industrial needs of Visakhapatnam. By eradicating the drought from the geography of the state, Polavaram has become the lifeline of Andhra Pradesh, providing an added benefit to almost all the river basins from Anantapur district to Srikakulam. With machines worth 2,000 crores and 4,000 men working day and night, Polavram is Asia's biggest dam being constructed. To complete a dam this big needs a Herculean conviction. Our Chief Minister, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu, with a strong will to finish the Polavram project as early as possible, is personally supervising the project. In the name of Somavaram Polavaram, the Chief Minister dedicated the first day of the week to the Polavaram project to directly oversee the status of the project with concerned officers and construction company executives. With a mission to sustain thousands of lives around the region, Polavaram is slowly proving to be the real boon to the state and the lifeline of Andhra Pradesh.
Grammarly can help you write quick.